If you're someone who's always on your phone while working, this Android feature is literally a lifesaver. It's called Heads Up, and it's one of the hidden features within Digital Wellbeing. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn it on so you never walk into unsafe situations again. To know if you can use this feature, you can simply open the App Store on your device, and then in the search section, you want to search for Digital Wellbeing. You see the Digital Wellbeing by Google LCC in this section. You can go ahead and install, and if it needs any updates, you will also see it on this page. Now, once you have the application, which is mostly already pre-installed on some Android devices, what you need to do next is to open Settings. Now, here you want to scroll till you find Digital Wellbeing. Some Android phone, you see Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control. Go ahead and tap on this and it will bring you here. Here you want to scroll to the bottom. Under Reduce Interruptions, you will see Heads Up. Now tap on this, and this is what happens when you use Heads Up. If you're working while using your device, you get a reminder to focus on what's around you. It's also worth mentioning that it does not replace paying attention. Tap on Next and then allow physical activities and allow location. You can also choose not to allow location. Tap on Next and then tap on Done. And that's all you need to do to start using Heads Up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.